If you've come across this video and you're watching it, there's a very strong chance and a very strong probability that you are suffering from psoriasis, or you've got family or friends that are suffering from this debilitating disease. There's also a very strong chance you've been to many medical doctors, many modalities. You might get some relief, you may have received some relief, but more than likely you're still suffering from quite a lot of psoriasis over your body. So what are we going to show you today? I came across this about 2 years ago at one of the wellness shows, and I found this one of the best turmeric. You've got to get it right. It's turmeric, T-U-R-M-E-R-I-X. The correct spelling of the turmeric that you get from India or Australia and places like that is T-U-R-M-E-R-I-C. But this particular brand is T-U-R-M-E-R-I-X. Now, I'll show you the inside. Now, you'll notice it's a very strong color. Can you see? Very strong color. And this one, the good thing about this one, you can use it in cooking. You can use it in making like a coffee by putting a teaspoon of that. You can mix it with cocoa, like organic cocoa, and you can make a drink with that with some honey. And that is a very strong kidney and liver detoxifier. Turmeric with curcumin, which is one that's very strong in, is one of the most fantastic cleansers and detoxifiers for the blood, right? If you eat turmeric on a regular basis, right, the Indians cook it in their curry. If you do this on a regular basis, your immune system will be very strong. So I would strongly advise you to find this brand, and it's quite a reasonable price, and this is a 260 grams net, and you only use a teaspoon per day, or if you want 2 teaspoons per day, that will last you about a month, right? So if you find this video useful, please share the link with others and subscribe to our channel. On the right of the word subscribe, there's a bell icon. Click on the bell icon and select all. You will then receive notification each time we release a new video, which will be on Tuesdays, Thursdays and Saturdays. Now, if you want to know where to get this, send us a comment or a phone call, and we will give you the information where you can get this from.